Ni hao, hao budin, ni damayang. This is the second edition of the Developer Diaries, and we're going to talk today about the team mode, the upcoming team mode. If you're not very fluent in Chinese, then we probably can switch to English, although we think Chinese looks cooler. My name is Sergei Klimov. I'm the producer at Charlie Oscar, and joining me today is my colleague Andrey Vasiliev, who is responsible for the front end and user interface.
Hi all.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Ni hao. So we're going to show you briefly what is going to come to the game next week. That's the team mode. Starting from the next update onwards, you'll be able to create team games as private sessions or as open sessions in the lobby, just not as ranked sessions yet. You can see the new tag, which is called team mode, and there you by default have no teams, or you can choose to play 2x2, 3 versus 3, or 2 versus 2 versus 2. Teams have 3 colors. Why did you choose these colors?
So these 3 colors is mostly distinguished by people with problems with colors.
Color blindness.
Yeah, color blindness. So it's
because originally we thought dark blue, light blue, and kind of semi-dark blue.
Yeah, a lot of gray.
yeah. But then we settled for these 3. So it's red, blue, and green. No, that's yellow.
Yep.
You cannot. Can you play 1 against 3 or?
At the moment, no, but we're aiming to add this to home rules when they will be available.
Home rules are coming, probably before the end of the year, hopefully, to get the Steam Workshop integration, and then you'll be able to create your own rules for the game, including the combination of the teams that you play. All right, so that we got covered. Let's maybe start the session and have Monica join us, and then see how.
Yeah. So first of all, before we start, I would like to say that teams can consist not only of humans, but you can play versus AI teams or mixed teams. So now we will try to create 1 AI team and 1 for humans. And here it is in lobby list. So you already can see that it's team mode with 2 different teams and 1 slot is available, and Monica will join us at the moment. Yeah, so here is Monica in blue team, and at the moment you can sort players in teams and swap them to different team if they want to.
So basically she joined our session and she's not happy to play with you in the blue team. So she is able to choose her status as the color of the team that she wants to play for. And now you see that she wants to be red. So you as the creator of the game can drag and drop her into the proper team. Yeah, just like this. That is available only to the person who creates the session. So that's basically Dungeon Master, and then you can reassign players. And okay, now we're all set, 2 versus 2 including AI. Let's go and take a look at the playing field. Random characters, doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, on the avatars, you will see now the team icons. Team icons consists of both color and shape, so that's again to make them more visually different. The same icons you can see also on the playing field just below the player token. Yeah, right there. And you will be able to view the cards on the hands of every teammate. It's not in the version yet, but you'll be able to do it through the button on the avatar, I think.
Yeah, on the avatar there is currently 2 buttons to mute emoticons or to show abilities of the current character.
Did you know that you can mute emoticons? Because some people don't know that. We just want to highlight that. You can mute emoticons.
Yeah, it's so useful. And now there will be a 3rd button that will show you cards that are currently on player's hand.
On your teammate. Yeah, we call it in English, we call it teammate. I'm not sure if that's correct. Maybe that's too informal, but maybe we should say companion or
Bro.
Yeah, brother, my gremlin brother. Let me show you my hand. Okay, and what is the major change in the rules and how you play the game?
So at the moment, main rule of team play is all your actions cannot be done to your teammate, only to the opponents. So if you're required to choose a player for some card action or misfortune, you won't be able to choose your teammate. You need to choose someone from opponents.
Yeah, so that basically kills the strategy that you will stop on all the misfortune spots and let your buddy choose the easiest misfortune for you. However, in the home rules feature, we will allow that. So you'll be able at that time, whenever that happens, in a couple of months from now probably, you'll be able to play in a way that you can select anyone for anything. So then the game will become easier and maybe even, let's say, more combinations will be possible for sure, but we're not certain that this is the default setting. It'll be a bit too easy on the teams. So right now, let's try to do something to another player and just to see how that is reflected in avatars. Do we have any cards? Okay, and now by pure magic, we got the right card to show you the effect. Let's go into the marketplace. Ooh.
So yeah, it's honest exchange, and it requires me to select the player. And as you can see, my teammate is grayed out as well as my avatar, so I cannot choose him as a target
Your,
of
your,
my
team,
action.
your team is basically unavailable, so even by mistake, you cannot choose your own buddy. Yeah, and there we go, and that's someone else from another team. All right, and the only other thing that we want to show you today is the changes in the win screen. So, which team wins? Tell me.
The rule is simple. Any player of your team should reach the highest score in the session,
And then the whole team wins.
and whole team wins. Yeah.
Okay, so here we play until 20 score. It means that whichever player scores 20 first, that player's team is the winner, and then everyone on that team gets the same score for winning. Let's magically fast forward down to the end of the game. And here we are at the end of the game. One, two, yeah, we're just gonna finish the session right now. And you will see the new win screen. Yes, so both team members are shown as taking the first place, and then down below you can see that the winners are split by teams as well. The same applies to the statistics screen, right?
Yeah, you can see all the details regarding the teams in end-game statistics in previous games and in player profile in previous games section as well.
So you'll be able to dig through some old sessions and see how things play out. The only other thing that we forgot to mention is that you are able now to play single-player games also with team settings. So if you want to team up against another couple of bots, then you can do it. Or if you want to play 2x2x2 and then you and the bot versus two teams made of two bots each, then you can do it. So that brings additional mechanics into the single-player field as well. And that's about it. The update should be deployed in about a week from now. So hopefully next week's Thursday, you'll be able to play test the thing yourself. And we're gonna try to organize, or let's say help organize, an informal tournament based on team mode, so that we can all check how that works and if there's any changes that are required. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.